Are you an estate agent or a new agent that's feeling a little bit stuck in a rut and stale in your business right now in 2024? Do you feel that it's time for a reset, a refresh, and a recharge of your business? If that's you, then this is the video that you should stick around for, because I'm going to be sharing with you some of my strategies to then recharge, refocus. What can you do next? So step one, use your time wisely. We cannot be busy fools and have a successful business. We need to really master the art of time blocking. The simple way of looking at it is you have to have time for the activities that are going to lead to lead generation, lead to new listings, and also then have time to service your clients and make sure that they're getting the 5-star service that you want to give them. So the first thing to do is to really look at your calendar, look at your diary, and are you using your time as wisely as you could be? Do you have a strong personal brand? What I mean by that is not your logo, not your website. Do you know your story? Do you know your why? Do you know your value proposition? If you don't, that's something that should be refocused on every so often, just to make sure that you absolutely know what your own personal brand is. What do you stand for? What values do you want to put forward to clients? What are your beliefs? And what is your purpose in when you're serving somebody in the process of selling their house? That's really, really important to me as an agent, that people know exactly my value proposition and what makes me different to some other agents that are currently out there. Social media is good, but it is not the be all and end all of lead generation activities or building that brand. Put something out on social media and then live it. That's really, really important. Anything that goes out in social media should be authentic, and it should really show you as your personality. And as I say, not your logo and not your website. Who are you? People deal with people. Are you the type of person that somebody would trust? They obviously need to know you, but are you the type of person that really, really shows and lives your values? That's really important. Social media can help you do that. Use it wisely and continue to build your own personal brand. Does the thought of networking give you the fear? It used to give me the fear, and now I really, really enjoy it, because it's not about walking into a room and just, saying, hi, I'm Ev and I'm an estate agent. It's about truly building personal relationships with people, personal connections. So networking is great on a local level, whether it's then maybe national on Zoom. Find groups that work for you. Not every network group is going to give you what you want or sit well with you, or again, be your authentic self. Find the groups that you can help people within the group, and then people can help you and build those connections through local networking. As an agent, if you're offering clients a 5-star service, you also want to be able to recommend 5-star suppliers. What I mean by that is people in trades, local businesses. If somebody asks you for a recommendation, can you recommend them? Have you used them, or do you know somebody that's used them? We all need clients to service, so if you find a local business that services clients really well, build that relationship with them. You become, how can I help you? They become, how can I help you? And that really does truly give the client a 5-star service. And just remember, your network is your net worth. If you haven't had the start to 2024 that you maybe wanted and you had planned for, that's assuming that you actually did plan, then maybe it is a situation where you have to take a step back and build up some confidence again. In this industry, we will always have things that kind of knock us down a little bit and knock our confidence. What do you do to get back up? What I would recommend is that you learn things about your local area, you look at property stats, you become a professional and knowledgeable agent within your local area at a micro level and also at a macro level. What's happening in Scotland, what's happening in the wider UK. Building up your confidence will then shine through when you're then speaking to a client, or you're asked a question, or you're given an objection. Having that knowledge is power, but you don't know what you don't know. So reach out to some industry press, reach out to podcasts, Reach out to people who are maybe at a different stage for you, or if you just need a refresh, take it from there and build it back into your estate agency business. Are you feeling that everything is focused on business, but actually you're not getting that step forward? Nothing's making the needle move. Control is really, really important for success. I want to share with you details of a free workshop that I'm running on 24th of April at 7 p.m. GMT. This is proven strategies through my experience as an agent and through my experience coaching and mentoring other agents that can give you that refocus that's required. But what habits are you following to move into a place in your life where you're living it by design and not by default? If you would like to join me on the workshop where I'll be discussing loads more of the strategies that help me live a life by design, then please click the link in the description and I really look forward to seeing you there.